Take a look at this new 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the LT Preferred Equipment Group, seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, GVWR, 10,000 pounds, 45-36 kilograms, mirrors, outside heated power adjustable vertical camper, manual folding and extending, black, deep ruby metallic, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, jet black, leather appointed front seat trim, Chevrolet Link audio system, 8 inches diagonal color touch navigation with AM/FM system, USB ports, engine block heater, alternator, dual, 150 amps each, engine, Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel, V20 diesel compatible, transmission, Allison. 1000 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled LED, steering column, manual tilt wheel and telescoping, emissions, Connecticut, Delaware, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements, LT Convenience Package, LT Plus Package, wheels, 18 inches, 45.7 centimeters, forged polished aluminum, tires, LT 265/70R18E all-terrain, Blackwall, LED lighting, cargo box with switch-on center switch bank and the Z71 package, off-road. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.